Professional communication is one of the most important and effective kinds and types of human communications that occurs between or among professionals and people who work in the same or similar areas and professions. Actually, when we use professional communication as the means or mean of interacting and exchanging views, information, and skills. That means that we discuss and work on some professional and technical issues and areas, or when we are in the process of fulfilling our professional duties and jobs, or we are trying to have collaborations with people from the similar or same professions to achieve our shared aims and goals. That's why when we talk about professional communication, we must know that professional communication is different from ordinary or our ordinary interpersonal communication or intergroup communications that we contact or interact because of our very basic needs in our daily lives. When we use professional communication in the base of interpersonal or intergroup or even intercultural, because when we interact with people from our professions based on the use of technical words or jargons or technical and professional language, we may interact just with one person directly or mediated through the use of mediated system of communication. It should be a kind of interpersonal communication, but interpersonal professional communication. Or two groups of, or three or four groups of professionals talk and interact with one another to fulfill their duties or discuss on a particular project or some projects. It means that it's kind of intergroup professional communication. Or even people of different cultures, maybe physicians, engineers, or professionals of communication from different cultures. They may interact with one another to discuss on particular professional and technical issues. It means that professional communication can be occurred between people of different cultures. But we have to know that professional communication is a very serious kind of human communication, and people usually use this kind of communication to talk about some particular issues or to plan some works and projects, or to achieve their aims or their shared goals, or to fulfill their duties or their goals which related to one another, or to duties and jobs of one another. That's why when we interact in the context and system or process of professional communication, we mostly use particular words, and mostly use based on the technical issues, and most probably we use jargons and particular technical and professional terms based on our own professionalities in our working areas. That's why besides improving other kinds of human communications, communication skills and competencies, we have to improve the levels of our awareness from the technical and basic issues of our own professional and technical areas that we work on, and also we have to learn and know some particular jargons and also some particular technical words. That's why when we talk with professional people, when we interact with professional people, or when we conduct communication based on our daily professional lives or works, we have to be most polite and punctual, and also we have to use particular language and also use particular and technical terms to transfer messages clearly, because sometimes when we use just a single word or term, we may transfer a very huge part of technical information. But instead of using such technical term or jargon, we may need to use a lot of words in synthesis to transform such kind of information, but we may not be able to transform clearly and properly. That's why during professional communication we have to focus on the process of technical discussions and try to use some particular and clear professional and technical words and jargons. I am Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari, professional of humanities, technology and human communication. If you think such videos are helpful for you, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.